Have you ever stopped to wonder about the origins of the common ruler? This unassuming tool, so vital to our daily lives, boasts a rich history stretching back millennia. The need to measure emerged with civilization itself. Early humans relied on rudimentary methods to quantify the world around them. Body parts, like fingers and forearms, became the first units of measurement. These early attempts, though imprecise, laid the foundation for the sophisticated measuring tools we use today. The Indus Valley civilization, known for its advanced urban planning, provides some of the earliest evidence of standardized measurement. Archaeological digs have unearthed rulers dating back to 2600 BCE. These rulers, crafted from ivory, featured remarkably accurate markings. The precision of these markings suggests a sophisticated understanding of measurement and its importance in construction and trade. The Indus Valley ruler stands as a testament to the ingenuity of early civilizations. Across the sands of time, the ancient Egyptians developed their own system of measurement. Central to this system was the cubit. Based on the length of a forearm from elbow to fingertips, the cubit proved remarkably consistent. Egyptian builders used cubit rods, typically made of wood or granite, to construct their monumental pyramids and temples. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a testament to the accuracy of the cubit, stands as a wonder of the ancient world. The Greeks and Romans, inheritors of earlier knowledge, made significant contributions to the development of the ruler. The Greeks, influenced by Egyptian practices, adopted the cubit and subdivided it into smaller units. They developed standardized rulers for use in surveying, architecture, and other fields. The Romans, known for their practicality, further refined these systems. They introduced the foot, based on the human foot, as a standard unit of measurement. The Roman foot, divided into inches, influenced measurement systems for centuries. Section 5. The birth of the modern ruler. The 17th and 18th centuries witnessed a surge in scientific inquiry and a demand for greater precision. This era marked a turning point in the evolution of the ruler. English instrument maker Joseph Moxon played a pivotal role. In 1669 he introduced the concept of dividing the inch into decimals, paving the way for more accurate measurements. The invention of the folding ruler, attributed to English inventor Anton Ulrich in 1669, revolutionized portability and convenience. Section 6. A Tale of Two Systems, Metric versus Imperial. The 18th and 19th centuries saw the rise of two dominant measurement systems, the metric and imperial systems. The metric system, rooted in the French Revolution, offered a logical and interconnected framework. Based on the meter, it gained widespread adoption globally. The imperial system, with its roots in British tradition, persisted in some parts of the world. This duality created both challenges and opportunities, highlighting the need for global standardization. Section 7. Rulers in the digital age beyond the physical measure. In the 21st century, the digital revolution transformed the ruler yet again. Computer-aided design software and laser measuring tools ushered in an era of unprecedented precision. Architects, engineers, and designers now rely on digital models and virtual rulers to create and manipulate designs. While physical rulers remain essential, their digital counterparts have expanded the possibilities of measurement. From its humble beginnings as body parts to its digital transformation, the ruler's journey reflects humanity's quest for understanding and shaping the world around us. This simple tool, often taken for granted, has played a pivotal role in our collective progress, enabling us to build, innovate, and communicate with ever-increasing precision. As technology continues to advance, one can only wonder what new forms the ruler will take in the future.